Right, if you don't know where I am or what this is, leave my channel now. Like seriously, go away. I think this is the foundation of my channel. So this is the Gowanus warehouse. I think they make cookies here. Oh no, wait, no. Look, they've got a harp there, so it must make harps. So we're at the Greenies factory, and again, I'm not going in because, as you probably know, Thailand is coming up, and I'm staying outdoors. I've got a mask on as well. Sorry about the wind. I have a mic that protects against the wind, but let me see if we can get a view that most people probably never see. So hopefully that knocks out the wind. We're just going to take a stroll around here and see what's what. So a lot of construction. I assume there's going to be apartment blocks built up there. Sure, why not? And fun fact, Guinness Warehouse has a lovely viewpoint. I'll probably do it on one of my other videos, but it's a 360 view of Dublin. And then I think a few other places start taking on board this. So someone up to Jameson has a 360 view sky bar as well. I'll do a tour of that as well after Thailand. And a lot of distilleries are doing tours as well. Like, so there's the Teelings distillery. You could do a tour there. So it looks like this is the entry point, but we will not be entering today. There we go, the Guineas storehouse. Looks like that's where the entrance is. Great excuse to go for a nice early pint. Well, it's part of the tour. So I've never been down here, and I always wanted to do one for photography. There's the main gate somewhere around here. I think it's down around. I'd say this place looks magical in the evening. Very famous picture of it. It's now time for Christmas, and the lights looks fantastic. Very busy. And again, sorry with the breathing. I overindulged in the food and it's affecting my breathing, plus wearing the mask. So you're going to be hearing me breathe a lot. And plus I have the mic right beside me because I knew it was going to be windy. I think that is a 3D image. That looks pretty cool. They bought they leased the land here for like 5,000 years, 2,000 years ago. So if you're quick and you're smart, you can lease the land in 3,000 years and you can own all this property. But you'll have to be very quick and have a good legal team, and probably have to get a bulletproof vest as well. So like, they encompass a couple of acres of land here, and back then this would have been the outskirts of Dublin, so you wouldn't have had apartment blocks and basically right on the main streets. So I think it's down this way. It's that gate that I wanted to see. think it is, yeah. Visitors car park.